Now, my brother, give us a mother. Sorry that I stopped you earlier on, but I would like you to continue now. Make I hear that your sweet pigeon. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Elvis. So like we did talk, my people for house and then for Bodonibo, we don't agree. Everybody don't agree for Nigeria. Say Tinubu government and Magomago government. No let APC, no let even Ruben Abati. Say Ruben you don't return for house now. As Mr. Elvis conscious that although that woman, she's Abati's wife, and Abati they return home like a smart Adeyemi call him. Abati come say as he won't go as he have to carry Yahoo follow body to go out. So Abati has returned home. Whatever line this APC they cook for you.
You say allegedly, I beg.
Okay, allegedly. So Abati they go out, he carry handbag, follow body, carry go out. Allegedly. Say we have to protect this channel because this APC people, which they cannot fake, cannot exist. Then if we now go to the videos where we don't show and then everything the oh yeah, I mean, first of all, from Jimmy, from that space, that guy, he come from the same state where I come from, and that boy they always yarn a better story, a wonderful young man doing good things for the obedient movement. And so maybe I will just use one divert a little bit to talk to my fellow Yoruba people. And your mokaro jiri ekale ekason ekaro mbenye o. Unta ń sọ ni wípé ìjọba Tinubu ìjọba èrú ni ìjọba èrú magomago. Tinubu kọ́ ló jáwé olúborí, Peter Obi ló jáwé olúborí nínú ìdìbò 2023. Peter Obi ló jáwé olúborí. Tinubu agbéwiri ni, ọmọ àlè ni, ó fọ́jú certificate. Ṣé sì mọ̀ pé àwọn ọmọ Oòduà, ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire, ọmọlúàbí, ìwà olè, ìwà ìpátá kìí ṣe ìwà wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bára wa sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Tinubu ìṣara wa, ìwọ̀sí tó ti fi kàn wá ó ti tó. Ẹ jẹ́ ká pawọ́pọ̀ ká lè kúrò nínú Aso Rock. Tinubu gbọ́dọ̀ lọ. Tinubu ó gbọ́dọ̀ lọ kókò ní Aso Rock. Ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá lórí channel ìlálẹ̀ fi sínú comment section pé Tinubu ó gbọ́dọ̀ lọ. Tinubu must go. Tinubu gbọ́dọ̀ lọ. Now, if you can look the video where you play on Mr. Elvis, you say these guys, now they say Wike should be made a commander for FCT. But I see that video on X when the guy, apart from the Sheikh, there's this other guy we come to talk for X, say the speaker also say all Wike must go because ever since they create FCT, no Christian don't become a minister of FCT. Now when Wike don't become minister of FCT, they no get peace. But my question for that man be say FCT is called Federal Capital Territory, which means say it belongs to everybody. Now he can't say Abuja belongs to the Muslim. This is the problem of Muslim tickets. And the problem with that. So we Nigerians now, we get a lot of work where we go do. Our work past Seme Peter will become president. It go past that one. We get a lot of work to do, Nigerians. As individual, we need to work on ourselves. Then the country, we need to fix the country because our country, it don't bad. $1 now to 1 naira is over 1,000 naira. Tinubu, even though he meets that $1 to 1 naira as about 700 plus. Now, the evidence said Tinubu government and Maguma government may say dollar don't become 1,000 plus. If you never know, una go soon they buy fuel for almost 1,000 naira. If you never even reserve. So that's why whether you be Yoruba or you be Hausa or you be Igbo or you be Edo, all of us make we join them together. Make we chase this man come off for Aso Rock. This man na certificate forger. This man na drug baron. This man na liar. Only him one get four different birth certificates. Only one human being. She na 4 times na him ma born am. That is one question we say Tinubu never answer. But you know, even till today, we don't know who Tinubu mama be. We don't know who in brother be. We don't know who in siblings them be. You know, this man, everything about around them, now just shrouded in secrecy and in big lies. In big lie. Only this man, only him when I be drug baron. FBI and I go soon start to release in file. Nigerians, we no go sit down like this, make we fold our hand, make our country they destroy. These guys, they don't destroy our country too much. So they won't carry money to buy SUV for politicians where people they suffer. Now, if you can't go to that matter where the sheikh the yan now, that sheikh himself, we are in this since all these days when we talk about this Tinubu matter. So whenever you know good for them, they'll come outside, come talk. But when them benefit for inside the whole corruption, they no go talk. But who give this sheikh, this M4 to come even to say make Wike come up for Abuja because he be Christian? If you say me then sack Wike because himself na corrupt man, I hear that one. But because every case na Christian, you say me then remove as FCT minister. Hey, sheikh, that one where you yarn na bad matter na be that one. You know go say me then remove Wike because he be Christian. If you say remove Wike because he's a corrupt man, I hear that one. But if you say remove Wike because he's a Christian, no. Abuja, they no form say now Muslim now go rule Abuja because become their minister. No. Anybody will become minister for Abuja. Abuja now our federal capital. So if you say me they remove Wike for Abuja because he's a Christian, they may remove Tinubu for Abuja because he be Yoruba man now. Because another thing is say even the Abuja people they no vote for Tinubu. What about that one, Sheikh? Tinubu no win 25% of Abuja. So if they come out Wike, they must come out Tinubu because Tinubu no win 25% of Abuja. Plus we know say even Baba Shelawa don't tell us. Baba Shelawa now somebody from north like you, Sheikh. In case of the year was Sheikh Gumi, I know say the year was because you don't steal one of our word for years. Say they are satanic. That means they listen to us. Baba Shelawa say Tinubu no win the election. Say him come distant third. Which we all know, even for RF till today, Peter Obi now win the election. So if you say them come out with a Wike for Abuja because of corruption, I go understand that one. Because the man follow and join on with this Tinubu, take the election for Rivers State, or Peter Obi vote for Rivers State, with a Wike change to Tinubu vote. So if you say me remove Wike for Abuja because of corruption, I go hear that one. Then they go remove Tinubu because Tinubu no win Abuja. Peter Obi na ain't get to that person. Even Atiku self no win Abuja. And Atiku himself no say Peter Obi win this election. So Sheikh Gumi, you for just talk and well say remove Werewike as FCT minister because he's corrupt. Then remove Tinubu for Abuja. Remove Tinubu as president because he did not win 25% of Abuja. Then I go say, Sheikh Gumi, you be better man. But this one where you come here and then no, there's no story for this one. No story. Then the judges now, the judge Inyongo where you show us, Mr. Elvis, that man are from South. The last time I checked, because of his name. But you know, say today, this karma where every one of us, where would they look for? Karma get everybody address, but karma no they pay again because allegedly now the year say tsunami, the one where preside over the PEPT, say that man something they do more serious thing they do. You know, saying some days ago you carry Charlie Boy's matter come here. Sorry, say I go reference Charlie Boy because Charlie Boy, by God's grace, don't they ill from that sickness where they say they affect a tsunami now. But you know, say tsunami gets $7 million allegedly, which Tinubu give up. So maybe now come and I don't show up, say that $7 million where you get, you go take and treat sickness until maybe you buy or you survive. Well, I know be God, I know pray may you buy you, but as I know pray may you buy, I go pray may God heal you after you confess what you do for PEPT. Until you confess, I no go pray say may God heal you. Tsunami or Samani, if you dey hear me tonight, I go pray may God heal you only if you confess what you do for PEPT, because I know say what you do for PEPT na fake thing now una do for PEPT. Bolaji get 5 million US dollar. Ugo and the remaining other people, they get 5 million US dollar each. Only you, Samani, you get $7 million bribe. So maybe Kama quickly come for you because now you get the large share of the money. But like I say, make I not sound like a broken record. I don't go pray, make God heal you until you confess what you una do for PEPT, because Nigerians, they suffer. Even the one way they for Bodo, me now they call for America. Every day I wake up after prayer, take my pikin to daycare. I'll come outside, they walk. As I they walk, I hear what's in the happen for Nigeria. Now people will not be sleep. If you go you go hear people talk about Nigeria. Go everywhere about Nigeria. Why? Because our country no better, and we need to fix our country. But you, Tsunami or Samani, where God make you little judge, God make you small God, give you that power, say make you be the one who go preside over that tribunal matter. You can't go there. They go lick hand. They go lick the ass of this Tinubu. Even they raise them up. So they then carry $7 million US dollar give you. Well, if you're picking the year us tonight, maybe then feel say, Papa, do video, apologize to Nigerians, tell them, say them force you, because like we hear say we can come your house, and until we can leave your house, you dey rain okpata for Wike head. Say you know they happy with Wike, say na him push you to do what you do. But Samani or Tsunami, you know be small man now, you na elderly man. Why you can't do that evil against Nigeria? Well, maybe if you hear me tonight, you go feel repent, say you will confess your sin. Until you confess, I no go pray, may God heal you, Samani. Mr. Elvis, thank you for everything where they do. We go, they pray for you, they pray for your family. God will protect everybody. Obedience, Nigerians, let's not give, make we not give up. Make we take our country back from the hand of these wicked people. So you see Israel they fight with Palestine today. Israel no fold their hand say, Palestine, if you not shoot us, we go just go pray. No, they no pray. They themselves carry their own cold iron. Rain terror against the Hamas people. Enter Gaza. But only Nigeria now carry second for the country where they pray most. But our country they destroy. Corrupt politicians, evil men, now they rule our nation. Make we join hand together. Like Rotimi Amechi talk. Rotimi Amechi, he said, make we do something for them. If you go to YouTube, you go see what Rotimi say. He said, make we look for stone, better stones. Make we stone them. Now Rotimi now talk am, no me talk am. So every day I come here, I go to echo that word. Say Rotimi say, make we activate Rotimi Amechi 101. Take stone these people, these evil men. Come up for our country. Come up for Aso Rock. People they die every day. People no fit buy food. Christmas they down the line now. Maybe before Christmas, dollar go don't reach about 2,000. Maybe one dollar now will be about 2,000 naira. These evil men, they no get sense to they do the right thing. Only Peter Obi say we go move from consumption to production. You see, they no get sense. Our country no better. They won't still borrow money. You go borrow money, can't take that money where you borrow. They buy vehicle for politicians. Which people do these people like this? You won't borrow 1.5 billion US dollars. And out of that money, you can't buy 160 million SUVs for each member of the house, both upper house and lower house. Plus one when they go steal, Maybe after everything is said and done, now only $5 billion now go remain. After they don't steal the better one come out. Nigerians, make we arise, take our country back from the hands of these evil people. They don't vow, say they want on the country down, but maybe say vow, say we not go allow them, because then they do us evil. People like Wiriwike, Bajabia Mole, Tifnumbu Songoleri Amoda, and the likes of them. Thank you very much, Mr. Elvis. Abati, make I send you again. Abati, come make them officially known to us. Say when you come tell us officially, say you don't return back home, so that we go fit clap for you, since you don't become corn eater and peer liquor. Thank you very much, Mr. Elvis. I rest my case.
Thank you, my brother. And God bless you. Give us a mandate. Your submission in pidgin, not be gradually turn into something else. Thank you for saying it how it is. Thank you for standing for a better Nigeria. Thank you for everything. I appreciate every one of you out there that is genuinely standing for us to have a better Nigeria. Yes, regardless of the current place where we all reside. Give us a mandate, lives in America. He's not suffering there. He's living the best life ever. He comes out every day to talk about how we can have a better Nigeria. Mother Patricia lives abroad as well. She's not suffering. She's living the best life. She comes out every day. Madam Amen lives abroad. I live abroad. Madam Nena lives abroad. And many of us that is coming here. So you know what that means? We have a choice not to do what we are doing today, but we are doing it. I pray a better Nigeria, a new Nigeria come in our time. In the mighty name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you very much, my people. Press on the like button. Thank you, Dr. Alexander Gomez, for all you do. I appreciate you always. Guys, press on the like button and help us to share.